thank you very much, Chris. This is a fantastic achievement. And we're very proud to have Portmeirion's own mini Moke back on the site. We've got rid of the cars out of the village, but there was one we had to keep, and this is it. And it'll be a proud memento of the series and of your hard work, and it will be a link between the series and the place for the interest of all who come here, hopefully, forevermore. And we will be thinking of ingenious ways to display it and have it available for all who take interest in these things, which they obviously should. And it's also my pleasure and privilege to welcome 601 and all who sail in her back to Portmeirion after 4 difficult years of absentia. For the 39th step in the progression of the society, the 39th Prisoner Convention. And we've been missing you for a long time, so welcome back, all and sundry. And we hope you have had a good weekend indeed. And it's a pleasure to see so many taking part again. And also this very suitable prisoner weather we're having. And I'm told this flavour of today, of the day is strawberry. We are very pleased that everyone is behaving well and not trying to escape. And we have our guards on hand to ensure security at all times. So, well, I think Meurig would like to say a few words as well, which is his want.
Lovely, thank you. Thank you all, because without you, this would not have been. It's such a thrill to have this here. Having seen it, having been in the lockup for many, many years and not been driven for 20 years, and to see it now, it's quite emotional. Thank you, because without your hard work, I know how much work you've done to do this, because we thought, oh, it'll be fine. And then the more we looked into it, it wasn't fine at all. It needed a lot of work, and massive thanks to Chris and team for the work that you've done. It's been absolutely brilliant. I'd like to also say, just repeat what Robin said. You know, massive thanks to 601, because I'm sure that Clough didn't ever think in 1966 when Portmeirion came here and asked if he could use this place as a location, that all these years later we would still be doing a homage to this wonderful series. And it is very, very special. You know, I thought I knew a lot about the prisoner when I came here, but I knew nothing to what I know now, and that's thanks to you guys. So thank you ever so much, and I look forward to having it out of the village and be seeing you.
Thank you.